In steel manufacturing, the challenges are numerous. Steel manufacturing is high-volume production with high-volume batches. On the shop floor, each minute is critical, and any unforeseen interruptions can send the entire operation into disarray. The challenge intensifies when crucial real-time data is absent, making it impossible for even the most seasoned planners to accurately plan the various production shops based on available resources and pending orders. For example, schedulers and/or production coordinators must consider which slabs can be slotted in to extend the schedule and minimize the waiting time between casting and rolling. Meanwhile, planners have to design efficient hot mill campaigns and implement bottleneck protection mechanisms, all while adhering to customer due dates and overall quotation KPIs. This can quickly go awry when unexpected disruptions happen, requiring the planner to make significant realignments to the schedule and operations sequencing. But what if you had an innovative solution that could leverage the power of real-time data to ensure flawless execution on the shop floor, while enabling you to swiftly replan and optimize schedule changes across different areas? DELMIA understands that the key to effective planning lies in real-time data, which is where Manufacturing Operations Management, or MOM, comes in. It bridges the gap from planning to on-the-ground production by 1. Having all the materials and operations previously scheduled ready for manufacturing coordination and operational tracking in continuous sync with the schedulers. 2. Enabling single-choice on-screen work instructions to minimize errors. 3. Enabling meticulous product integrity and compliance. This system leverages traceable systems and certifications. It also provides adaptable analysis tools, including Statistical Process Control, or SPC, a quality assurance solution that continuously monitors and analyzes production data directly on the manufacturing line. This ensures optimal product quality and process efficiency. 4. Integrating maintenance schedules and calendars with production. 5. Optimizing inventory and logistics to increase on-time in full delivery, OTIF. 6. Facilitating meticulous monitoring of metal origins, processing, and distribution, aiding defect identification and standards compliance. Manufacturers can also methodically collect specimens, allowing composition, purity, and mechanical property testing to guarantee the consistent delivery of reliable, high-quality materials. 7. Assigning tasks efficiently and monitoring productivity. With this critical shop floor data at your disposal, DELMIA empowers planners to make the best decisions at various planning levels. At the operational level, our solution supports the planner to create optimal programs and sequences, plan material flow and campaigns, and create batches to generate an optimal sequence to achieve greater productivity and better delivery performance. The solution's dynamic sequencing capabilities enable flexible schedules, allowing planners to effectively react to disruptions. Improve overall efficiency by streamlining casting and hot rolling schedules for smoother transitions. Unlock better energy savings and lower carbon emissions by increasing hot charging via integrated scheduling. At the tactical level, DELMIA's master production scheduling provides end-to-end visibility and helps create realistic plans. Simulate and compare what-if scenarios to see the impact and consequences in real time, and optimize performance in line with KPIs. Eliminate operational silos by connecting sales, production, procurement, and transportation through supply chain planning. Many DELMIA customers have realized significant improvements in delivery performance, inventory, lead times, and planning. But our software solves more than just your tactical, operational, and executional needs. At the strategic level, our solutions support you in sales and operations planning, S&OP. Align sales and production through a collaborative S&OP process for product mix optimization and longer-term capacity decisions. Real-time collaboration supports coordination of all stakeholders as well as finance metrics. Benefit from proper and consistent aggregation and disaggregation of forecasts in time and demand dimensions by applying machine learning methods. And simulate scenarios in supply chain planning to support decision-making for maximized profitability. So, why choose DELMIA? Our industry process experience solutions are made for easy, out-of-the-box implementation and can be configured to your requirements and integrated with your existing systems. Get ready to gain full visibility and control, increase profitability, improve production reliability and synchronization, deliver better customer satisfaction, enhance energy efficiency. Start your journey towards efficient steel production with DELMIA today.